This video details on how to use the microwave function of the Kenwood microwave. If you look on the right hand side at the top, there is a power level button. If you push this button, then this will indicate that's high, that's 100% power. Push it again, 80%, and then keep pushing it to the high power, which is 60, 40, 20, and 0. So here we go, selecting 100%. Next, we go down to the button at the bottom called menu time. And if you turn this button, you can then add 10 seconds, 20, 30, and this all goes up to 95 minutes. So here we're selecting 1 minute, and then to start the microwave, we just push start, and then it is active. If you wish to pause during cooking, you just push the stop button once, and then you can see it is paused. And if you push this again, stop, it clears completely. And that's how to use the microwave. Whilst using the microwave, there is this protective food cover which can allow steam out, or we can keep it closed to keep it steamed, and this will prevent food from being splattered around and also prevent food from drying out. And please use this wherever possible. Thank you.